Hello everybody, I'm Brian from Orchids by Brian, and today I'm doing a little bonus episode. Not known for its orchids, but for its tropicals and fruit trees. I'm at Logee's Plants in Connecticut. We're going to check out all the amazing things that they have in bloom and for sale. Like I said, they have everything. Not known for orchids, but really, really cool. So let's check out some of their notable plants. And check out this citrus tree. They have all kinds of, it's more of a botanical garden than it is a store, but you can buy lots of unique flowers. Succulents. The Easter cactuses. Easter cacti are in bloom, but look at the unique flowers. Huge specimen size plants here. Here's some jasmine, hardy jasmine. And look at these. Oh my gosh. They have a really great website, so if you want to purchase from Logee's, check them out online or come visit their store in Connecticut. Not too far from Rhode Island, about an hour and a half from Massachusetts, at least in Western Massachusetts where I'm based. Amazing. Lots of aroids, if you love aroids. Here's all their hibiscus trees, bushes. Look at all the different types. Oh my gosh. I'm looking for a neotropical blueberry to add to my grow tent. Not an orchid, but grows similarly. Look at their selection of begonias. Wow. This place is pretty amazing. Look at that. Some pothos. Here's some Hoyas. Really great selection of Hoyas. Wow, look at their Hoyas. Really nice. Look at these. Wow. If you love flowers, you will love Logee's. Now in this room, they have a great selection of orchids. Jewel orchids. Excuse the fan. Even some cattleya. Look at this guy. Wow, nice quality too. And some native orchids you can grow outside. Here's maxillaria. Guessing tenifolia. Beautiful. Greenhouses here too. We also have some cattleya hybrids. Nothing in bloom or bud right now. But my mother is sifting through some of the flowers. Very nice.
That one.
And we have vanilla planifolia. I like this one a lot. That's a really pretty flower though. It is pretty amazing. My father is on plant holding duty. Very cool. Look at this flower. And they have lots of citrus trees. Here's some kumquats. Lots of citrus. Look at these cute myrtle leaf oranges. Pretty amazing. What a place. Nice glass greenhouses. Staghorn ferns. I love this Fern House. The sides of their ferns. They had the white bat flower. Some great terrarium plants in here too. Such an impressive place, my gosh. A lot of these tree ferns and rabbit's foot ferns and all those are used in terrariums with my frogs. The flowers here, look at this. How cool are those? More jasmine. So many different types. And look at this. Weird. Is this a banana tree, maybe? I don't know. How different. You could spend hours in here. An oak leaf fern and creeping fig, which are great for terrariums. Avocado, guava, mango. Bananas. All right, And that's going to conclude my quick visit to Logee's. As you can see, we came home with a couple of cattleyas from my mom's collection. But I hope you enjoyed this bonus episode, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Orchids by Brian. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.